Okay, so if you're watching this video, it's because you're not sure on how to use the table of contents in order to help you with some of these problems. So let's say we are working on function notation right now, right? And you don't know how to do it. You've already tried clicking on the hints. They're not helping very much. You've already read them and you're just getting a lot of them wrong and you just don't know what to do. Well, one, it's probably because you haven't watched the notes, right? So let's go fix that. If you go into your Canvas and you look at the page that you originally looked at and you read through, which gave you directions on how to recover credit for semester one, at the bottom, you're going to see first semester table of contents. Here you'll find all the videos you need for each assignment. If you need help on how to use the table of contents, then click here, which is what you're watching now. So you click on the first semester table of contents. We are having trouble currently with function notation. That is the assignment we are working on. So you can scroll down and we can see that we see function notation. So you have the video here. If you never wrote that lesson down, you can click on the notes PDF. If you have a printer, feel free to print out the outline. If you don't have a printer, then you would probably have to pre-write this. Okay. And in order to fill them in, you would have to click on the video. It will automatically open up on YouTube. And there you go. So you will have the lesson watch the lesson to help you out with that. If you are still having trouble, please email your teacher. Let them know you are having some trouble with this topic to set up a tutoring session. We are available during Tiger Time. And if you are only available before or after school, you're going to have to send us an email so we can get that worked out for you. Okay. If you are in Algebra 1, your assignments, you're going to see that the title has an L8, L4, L8, L12, L14, L24, L25, okay? So if you are an Algebra 1 student, sorry, not Algebra 2, if you are an Algebra 1 student, then this is literally what notes you're going to have. So if you have your notebook from semester 1, all you have to do is go find lesson 8, and that lesson set of notes will help you with this assignment on CK12. And that is for all of them. They are all labeled. For my Algebra 2 kids, sorry, just look at the topic and go match it up to the table of contents, okay? Which is the one that I just got done showing y'all right here. Okay, so just look for the topic, whatever you think will help you with that lesson. Watch the video if necessary, or just use your notebook to help you out. Alrighty.